What's good, YouTube fam? Today we got Deworming Part 2. Alright, so you know deworming pups, they say 2 to 4 weeks. So the first time I did it, they was what, 3 weeks?
Yep.
Okay, so second time is week 5. So we in week 5, y'all. You know, normally I don't really be doing a whole lot of talking on here. I just get to work. I just got a little issue today. Oh, excuse my boys, you know what I'm saying? I do not condone none of these things you see on here. This is just cardboard boxes. You know, I use these for the pups so they don't tear my floor up. I had a little issue, man. I was on YouTube, man. I was watching the guy talking about Merle and don't buy nothing due to unforeseen health issues such as blindness and being deaf. Now, I believe that can happen in any pup if the mom stop, get off each other. If the mom does not clean out ear canals and make sure eyes are clear and things of that nature, it can happen to any pup. Now, Merle, different subject. I don't know. You know, I've heard things, but you always hear things, so I don't know. Ain't no proof of it that I know of. So, but yeah, with buying Merles, you do have to, I would recommend that you know the history of the upbringing. And that's just period on that. I ain't gonna do a whole lot of that. Alright, so now, back on top. But Merle's a good dog, period. All the extra stuff, I don't know about. I've had a couple litters. I ain't had a deaf or blind dog yet. So, again, I'm done with that.
That is a kick.
I was real heated about that. Don't buy Merle. Okay, so Deworming 2. Alright. Last time I gave him 2.5. This time I am going to give them 5. Okay. Each one will get 5 ml, 5 milliliters. Again, I do not feed my dogs before deworming them because I want them to get all the things. Pause if necessary. Oh, come on, stop. Alright, this is gonna be a little different because they're a little rowdier than before. A lot more active. And they want to get into everything. So we opening jaws now. Open, let's drink. Let's get it. Good job. I am being attacked. Come on. Good job. I am being attacked. Okay, you gonna get some. Oh, y'all gonna get some. Come on. Ow, stop. Yo, stop biting me. Y'all doing too much. Get off me. Son. Alright, that was 2.5. And that was 2.5. Now look, this might be to be continued because on the looks of it, I might have to go to the store and get some more. So y'all cross your fingers and y'all toes, and hopefully we make it. Where did you go at? Oh boy, I did it again, y'all. I did it again. Confusing at its finest. Y'all can tell I'm so unorganized with my situation. Get off. Oh, he alright, he tough. Cool, tough. Oh. Necessary. Now, I kind of, ow! That's my nipple. I kind of know him now, so I know the marking's a little better now, so it's not going to be as hard to figure out who I did what to. Move! You see this? This is why sometimes I need some assistance. Alright, thanks. Already got some. I know what you look like. I got some. Nice try, buddy. Nice try, buddy.
Got the kick.
Nice try, my guy. Alright, you about to go again? I know who's who. About to be in the pool. Are you done? Yeah, I ain't even. I got him down so much. I don't even have to. I'm not even confused anymore. I was lying earlier. Both of y'all done. Y'all both of y'all done. Y'all quit begging. Come on. Nope. Nope. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see. Nope, can't fit through there. Ah! Stop! Oh, stop! We late. There you go, man. Try to fool me. Good try. Good try, buddy. Come on, open up. Yeah. You do a great job. I think once you doing things normal, like consistent, things get a lot easier. Cause they know it's a routine, so they know what's going on. It's not hard to figure out. Ain't enough time gonna make it out. Ow! Don't keep. No video for y'all. Continue the process. So I know what I'm gonna do. Get all the black ones out the way first. So when I come back, I don't know which ones already did. All right. I might make it to like come on. Lightest color black one right there. I think it's brown. So I know it ain't deep. Come on in here. Come on. Nope, nice try, buddy. Nice try. You see you try to get me? Come on. everywhere I need to. Y'all think, like, oh, nope. Alright, that's all the black ones. Done. Alright. Of course, y'all know I'm definitely gonna get bolo. Call it what you want, favoritism, whatever. Getting my bolo first. Then after I do this, I'm gonna feed them, but y'all, I ain't gonna take y'all through that. Oh, what is this side have? Come here. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, really? Bolo. Look at me running my mouth too fast. Talking about they get used to it. Look at this dude. Look at him. Come on. You get one. You gonna get this. You gonna get this work. You gonna get this work. That's what's happening. Because ow! Oh yeah, the bite is mean, by the way. As you can tell, because they are tearing me to pieces over here. And I'm trying to be cool about it. But ain't no coolness to getting chewed up. Oh, that's what it is. You just being overly aggressive. I ain't doing it fast enough. Damn! Can he have his own medicine? Jeez. Yeah, they ain't gonna make it to all of them, y'all. I got my cameraman back. Long time no see. Little buck. He got his own channel, by the way, so if he wants to put it in the description, you know, he does YouTube videos. If he wants to put it in the description, he will. He's the man. He can do what he wants. Well, he's going back to sleep. Good job. Good job. The fighting is no longer fighting. Alright, y'all. Soon I was done with this episode. We'll be come on. What? Alright, so look. I got 2 more to do after this. I will do them in another vid once I go to the store and get some more. I think I might have enough to get one a little bit.
I need to go to the store and get some bacon.
Bacon?
Yeah.
Alright,
It seemed like a pipe dream though. Because I went yesterday and there was no bacon. And I went a few days ago and there wasn't no bacon.
I went the other day to the store. A few days ago, I think it was the 26th. No eggs. And no store. Matter of fact, that was the day Dollar General, Family Dollar was closed. No eggs at all. Okay, family, so y'all see, I'm out and give him a second dose. Missed him completely. Everybody else got done. So, with that being said, deworming part 2, and we got a half to do. Y'all, you know what? I might not even make a video for that. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what I do. Get these dogs dewormed every 2 weeks. so I got 6.5. No, 7.5. I got 7.5. I got a half of one of these. And alright, so that's it for the vid. Oh, real quick, y'all, real quick. The dogs are going for 2. Well, just hit me. I tell y'all how much these dogs going for. Now, this one is gone. That's sold. That's me. Right there. Okay, them 2. Now you got a variety to choose from.
Except for that all black, solid black.
Right here.
Yeah, that's mine.
And that's his. Okay, so 3 are gone. You got 5 to choose from. 1, 2, 3. You know, 5. You know what I'm saying? This a boy. I think he got a girl.
Yeah,
He got a boy. This a girl. Right here. And I got another black girl.
Nice.
Behind me. Hi. Yeah. Her.
Hey, I am for sale. Buy me.
Yeah. That's 2 girls, 3 boys. Comment, like, sub. If you're interested in buying one of the pups, holler at me. You can rap, leave me your email or something. Send your email with the prices and all that, yada yada. And y'all know, deworm them. Heck, I even take them out and poo-poo train them, potty train them. You know, I get them ready and set to go. So with that being said, love these YouTube guys. This is the most I ever talked in a video. It's probably the most you'll ever get out of me for talking. I just do what I do. So, much love, like, subscribe, comment. Please comment. I don't care if it's hate comments, much love comments. Cool. Just comment. Leave some comments. And please give them thumbs up and sub to my channel, man. Trying to grow it. Trying to keep this thing moving. You know, I wanna give people good pups, smart pups, good looking pups, healthy pups. I want people to have the goodness that I be getting from these dogs. So with that being said, much love and toodles. Peace.